We're going to do an exercise that involves the white key pentascale classic hand positions. We're going to coordinate both hands together, working in parallel motion. We're going to start at C position, so the leftmost note is C in both hands. We're going to go up the 5 notes, and then we're going to move to the next position, the D position. Go up the fingers of the hand, up the 5 notes. We're going to move to the E position, and then up to the F position, to G, A, B, C. Now I could keep going if I wanted to, but I'm going to do just that much. Here's the next thing. As you're doing this exercise, I want you to not pause as you are moving the hand. So it's going to be like this. So we arrived at the next C hand position. Once you have traveled that 8 sequence, to go from C all the way to the next C. Then I want you to start at the right part of the hand and come down the fingers. Start on F, come down, E, come down, D, come down, C, B, A, C. Excuse me, G is what we started on. Okay, G meaning here, okay? So I want to do the whole exercise. White key pentascales moving up till we get to the next C position. Once we're here, we'll start to move down. It's going to be like this. That is a great exercise for beginners. Be listening for the same volume for both of the hands, for all of the fingers, that the strikes happen at the same time, that it's not broken. You don't want that. You want them to strike at the same time and all be the same volume and all be the same tempo and length. Also, you want them all to be legato. That is an Italian word for connected, smoothly connected. You don't want to tap the keys. It's not a computer keyboard. You're not doing this, or it's not a disconnected sound. It is a connected sound. So, have fun with that.